Hi sewing friends, welcome to my sewing room. My name is Beth, and if you're new, welcome. We are having some very cold weather here in Texas. We even had a little snow, and so today I'm going to be sewing in the living room with a fire going in the fireplace. I started this quilt a few days ago before I traveled here to Texas, and I did bring some strips of fabric along already cut, but after getting here and putting those blocks together and laying them out on my floor here, I decided I would like to make some more. I cut all of my strips 2.5 inches, and I'll leave a link below on how I made all of the 16 patch blocks that go into this quilt. Each block requires 2 fabrics cut the width of the fabric 2.5 inches, like I said, and that gingham fabric there is red and white, and I'm going to use the back side so that's more of a pink because I am very limited in my fabric choices here. I only have a few fabrics here in my cupboard, and like I said, I only brought a few strips of my fabrics that were already cut. Here's my little fabric stash that I have here in Texas, and here is the cupboard with all of those zipper bags that have projects already started, and so they do have some fabric in there, and I also have this one bag of small scraps. After getting all of my strip sets put together and pressed, I cut them into those 2.5-inch segments. I need 4 for each of my quilt blocks, and as I mentioned in the last video and the one that I'll link below, I was able to get 2 quilt blocks from each of these 2 strips of fabric. It was really nice having a day where we couldn't go anywhere and we didn't have any plans here at home, so I was able to sew all day long, and we did have power, so that's a blessing, and a fireplace, which is a real plus. So I enjoyed this sewing day very much. And one other thing about sewing on a day like today, it was nice to have a project that was already started. I didn't need to make any decisions. I just had to follow along with the plan, and the hardest part was just finding the fabrics in that small stack that was going to go along with the quilt that I had already started. I was able to make 25 blocks for this beautiful quilt that really features those pink, greens, and blues, and I'm going to now put it all together, and before you know it, I had a quilt top ready to go. This was a great project to complete on this snowy, cold day. I am now wondering if I'll be able to quilt it on my little featherweight, and I think I'm going to give it a try, and I will be sure to let you know how it goes. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.